This is literally the hairstyle I've been doing every day. Let's break it down. Hey everyone, I'm Becca. If you're new here, welcome. A little bit of different setup today. Usually I'm in the studio, but you know, I've got 2 kids and a busy life. And sometimes you just gotta make it work. So we're making it work again in this video. Let's get to it. The sleek bun is where we're at today, okay? If you're not interested in the sleek bun and the products that I use to get that sleek bun, see you guys in the next video. Bye. But for those of you who stuck around, let's get into it. So I'm gonna take this out because this was a fake one. And my hair is a greasy mess. And if you do this hairstyle, it will definitely continue to be a greasy mess. Something that I have observed with a lot of people that are like famous and like have big companies, they like do the same thing every day. And I was like, you know what? I want to record TikTok videos, but I want to look like the same every time I do it, so it doesn't distract from like what I do. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I like hair-splain pop culture hair, mostly the Kardashians, a little bit of the royal family, Bachelorette, like stuff like that. And it's been really fun for me. You know, doing your hair and makeup every day is like annoying. So I was like, you know what? I'll just do a sleek bun. That's like totally in right now. And like, it's easy to do. You know, in my personal life, I'll save that for later. If you're interested, subscribe. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys how I get my sleek bun that I do every day for TikTok. What I'm using is just a scrunchie. This one's bright orange. Sometimes I use like a legit scrunchie, like one of these, if I'm not feeling like I wanna be like super polished and I just need to put it back. This will be something that you can do like if you need to like the back to look good too. I'm gonna be using the Color Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray. I found this through Kiss Appleton because he does Kim Kardashian's hair and I saw it in one of my TikTok breakdown videos and I bought it because I wanted to try it. Do you know what, you guys? This smells, the mist is insanely fine. This smells exactly like vanilla verbena or whatever from, what is it, Bath and Body Works, from your like middle school friends. This smells exactly like that. I'm not kidding. If you've smelled it and you know what I'm talking about, leave a like. And TikTok made me buy it. The hair wax stick, okay? This was my first introduction to wax sticks because I've not really been doing like sleek styles because honestly I'm like insecure about the shape of my face sometimes. Like I feel like my chin, and this is actually a good angle because it's a wide angle and so it kind of slims me down. Sometimes like when I was pregnant, especially like postpartum, I just get a little insecure about like the roundness of my face and like I'm not looking for sympathy. I'm just trying to tell you like where I'm at. But you know, I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna just do what I want. And so my sleek ponytail or sleek bun, this is what I've been using. I've had 2 cups of coffee today and I'm like excited about making YouTube videos a different way and a little bit more relaxed, so bear with me. I'm gonna like, it's a little bit farther than I like. Like I could do it here, like I could part it there, that's fine, but I'm gonna go a little bit more into the middle. And another thing I like about this is I have like a major bald spot like right here and I've been trying to like take care of it and like not necessarily hide it, but just mask it a little bit. But yeah, you can see it like right here. Like it separate when I separate it. But this hairstyle has actually been good because it doesn't like, when I wear my hair like down or curly, you can like really see it. And I'm just not loving that right now. And also what I found is like, if your hair is disgusting and greasy, you can do this. And I keep seeing girls over TikTok be like, if you ever see someone with like the snatched low bun or ponytail, just know that their hair hasn't been washed in like 10 days, which is probably true for me. So even now you can see like my hair is like separating. And honestly, you know what? I thought I wanted it more in the middle. I don't. Now that I'm seeing it, well, I don't know. No, I think I want it back over to the side. Okay, fooled ya. I'm not feeling it right now, okay? Maybe it's my bald spot making me a little insecure, but I'm just looking in the mirror and I'm just not liking it. So I'm gonna go back to the side a little bit because I was just liking that a little bit better. Obviously you could use a rat tail comb, but I don't feel like getting up to go get it. So here we are. Back to the side, just feeling it. And I'm 31, so I don't need to have a middle part because I'm a millennial and you know, us millennials stuck to our side part. So what I'm gonna do is just take it, my orange. And this is great for short hair. Like, I don't know why everyone's obsessed with long hair right now. Like, get short hair, it's way easier. You don't have to do a lot to it. And I don't have like a boar bristle brush, so I'm just using my round brush, my bristled round brush to help me like smooth it down. And I'm kind of like not pulling it straight down, but almost like back and like up this way, because if you did it like straight down, I used to wear this in middle school. I used to wear my hair more like this in middle school. If you wear it straight down, it's going to like pull you down a little bit. Some people can pull this off, but with my face, it just makes me insecure and feel like a little boy. So nothing wrong with that. Not what I'm going for. I'm just pulling it. See how it like was going down like this, and now I'm pulling it back like that. So it like brings all of this back this way instead of down. So like all of this goes this way and all of this goes like this way instead of this way. And so like this back here, I'm one of those people that doesn't care what the back of my hair looks like. I just don't care. I don't want to see it. If you see me from the back, you probably aren't talking to me, so maybe we're not friends, so I don't really care. But we can be friends. Anyway, so pulling this back, then I'm gonna tie it real tight with my little elastic. So if I'm like in a rush and like I'm not going out, but I just need to like film some videos or do something like that, I'll just leave it like this. I just like flip it under and like not care. But if you need it to be a little bit more polished, I just do a ponytail. And you can do the ponytail and like leave it at that. But I'm not like a ponytail person. Never have been. They've never been my thing. It's just never been my thing. Not into it, not approved by me. You know, you've been watching too much TikTok when you can quote the trending audio. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist my ponytail, wrap it around the bun, secure it with a bobby pin, and I'm gonna turn around and do that. Boom. Obviously, that's probably not like super perfect, and honestly, I can't see it, but it's better than just like the little tucked thing. It's like a little military bun. So all of you women that have served in the military and have to wear this bun every day, you're probably like, oh my gosh, I'm never gonna do that. So then I take my wax and smooth down my little pieces. And if you were to have like a boar bristle like brush, this would help you, but my hair is already kind of like sticking down. This kind of gives it some shine, helps it stay. And normally I would probably hairspray it, but I just ran out, so wah wah. And then sometimes I'll take the brush and just like smooth it down a little bit more. And then I finish off with my shine mist. Like it kind of already looks shiny because I do have some like of this in there from yesterday. But okay, so there's the before. Let's see if we can get it. What the? And let's spray it. Whoa. Okay, so then sometimes too, I'll like pull this bit out just to give me like a little, so it's not so tight. Like this is more tight and then I get a little bit more volume. Yeah, I'm not loving the way that's looking from this angle. That looks all right. Let me show you what it looks like with the scrunchie. It's a little bit more relaxed. And honestly, you can do this style like more relaxed. It doesn't have to be like the bun part doesn't have to be so tight. I will say this wax and this shine spray, if you think you're gonna bring it back with dry shampoo, you're not. You need to take a shower. Okay, a little bit more relaxed. Still getting this like back thing, or you can flip it up. That's a very old 90s. Oh my God. Look like I'm in middle school. Pull this out because I don't want to look like a little egg head. No egg head for me. I like eggs, but not an egg head. I'll make it a little looser just to give it some more volume. Don't need any of this because my hair is like grease city, but it makes me look snatched, so I'm okay with that. There we go. And that's what it looks like in the back. A little bit more relaxed. All right, so that's that. My little sleek bun that I do every day on TikTok. Now I'm gonna go make some TikTok videos. If you haven't yet, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. That's it, my sleek snatched bun. It's on trend. A lot of people are doing it. So easy. Great for like second, third, fourth day hair. I've literally done this style like every day for a week and don't even notice. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this like a little bit more intimate in my bedroom, not in the studio? I think I'll still throw in that studio every once in a while because I still pay a lease on that and you know, gotta use it. But yeah, I'd love to hear your comments and feedback. I have posted a few questions and polls in my community page, and it's really helped me out and just helped me kind of plan through like how I want to like make content moving forward and maybe help my personality shine through a little bit more. I'm a little bit more kind of go with the flow, a little bit more like spontaneous. So planning out content to like film with a script and everything can be really challenging for me. So just trying something new out. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.